Welcome to another episode of Market Recap on PandoCap. This week we closed out the news on the IPO market since there won't be any more activity until the new year. Some of the key takeaways include that the US IPO count rose 35%, which we ended up over 216 deals for the year. The proceeds jumped from 68% in the COVID-19 market rebound, and the IPO gains were about 75%, the highest in 20 years, with first day and aftermarket returns. Healthcare and tech account for nearly 3/4 of the IPO issuance. Around 20 IPOs raised over $1 billion, led by Airbnb, DoorDash, and Snowflake. The Renaissance IPO skyrocketed. It was 113%, which outperformed the S&P 500 by nearly 100 percentage points. And alternatives, IPO alternatives, really were a record this year. 242 SPACs and some high-profile direct listing. And it looks like 2021 is not slowing down. There's a lot of backlog, and the pipeline is showing very fruitful with some record IPOs like Coinbase, or record names like Coinbase, Poshmark, and Affirm is still yet to come. In regards to the stimulus bill that Congress passed, although it is providing the economy some help, the market is not digesting it with a lot of enthusiasm as it mostly was down today. The markets are grappling with some of the items that are going to come out over the next 3 months with COVID, and then consumer confidence has also been down, while concerns are being raised about some of the potential impacts of the new strain that has come out in the UK. And then we did have Baird put a outperformance rating on the Real, which sent those shares skyrocketing. And congratulations to the Real as I took them public. So I'm really excited that they're doing well through this holiday season. They are a consignment retailer, and today they were up over 10%. And then Apple, once again, appears to be seriously looking at making a car. They're pursuing production of a passenger vehicle by 2024. They are creating a self-driving system, breakthrough battery technology. So that's some of the reports coming out on Apple. And according to Elon Musk, he just put out a tweet saying that he approached them years ago and they turned that down. So, I guess Elon and Tim Cook are going to be going head to head on the production here. Today, the markets closed down with NASDAQ slightly up. The Dow was at 30,015, the S&P 500 3,687, NASDAQ 12,807. On the IPO side, we had some big news coming out from the SEC. The SEC approved a capital raise with a direct listing, and what that means is that now investors are going to be able to provide an alternative to the traditional IPO, offering a direct listing with some additional proceeds. So a lot of excitement on the investor side, companies, and really overall everyone. And then SoftBank filed for a raise for $500 million to $600 million for their first SPAC. So again, everybody's getting into the SPAC game, legitimizing that process. So you'll see a lot more on SPACs coming out in 2021 as well. All right, have a wonderful rest of your week. Merry Christmas and happy holidays from the PandoCap team. Thank you.